Hi, I'm Steve from Yokogawa Support. Welcome to another Exoquantum training video. In this video, I will cover some fundamental tasks and activities in the SQL Server Management Studio. As you can see, I have a shortcut to the SQL Server Management Studio saved to the taskbar, but I can also run this from the Start screen. At the Connect to Server dialog, choose the service and server you wish to connect to, and then click the Connect button. When SQL Server Management Studio opens, the Object Explorer will appear in the left-hand side of the screen. The Object Explorer gives you access to most of the elements of SQL Server you need to use. Most frequently, you will be accessing databases. The database containers can be expanded to see tables, views, and other various properties. Here you can see the tables from the Q application config database. Right-clicking a table gives access to all of its properties and data. The most common option is viewing data. To do this, choose the option Select Top 1000 Rows. As you can see, a new pane opens on the right, showing the query that's been run, and in the lower section the query results. The upper and lower panes can be resized and scrolled. Running other queries will show the results in new tabs, and you can move from tab to tab to compare data. On occasions, you may be sent a SQL query to run. To do this, click the New Query button and then paste the query into a blank query window. Then click Execute to run the query. To save the query results, click in the top left area in the Results pane, and then right-click and choose Save Results As. Choose a destination and supply a file name, and then click Save. On occasion, you may be required to back up a database. This is also carried out with a right-click menu. Choose Tasks and then Backup to open up the Backup dialog. To back up with the default settings, simply click OK. The next common task in managing a system is monitoring SQL Server tasks, which are controlled by the SQL Server agent. Automated SQL Server tasks are run by jobs as shown here. Right-clicking a job gives access to its properties and allows it to be controlled. Sometimes it's necessary to temporarily disable a job, which is done by choosing Disable from this menu. Re-enabling the job is also carried out from the right-click menu. To view a job's history, choose View History and the log file viewer will be displayed. The steps of each job can be expanded, and clicking on the step shows the details in the lower pane. To save the log results, click Export, provide a file name and destination, and click Save. The final common task we will look at is viewing SQL Server activity using the Activity Monitor. This can be accessed by right-clicking the server name. The most useful information is found in the resource weights and recent expensive query segments. These can be expanded to view the details. From here you can screenshot the details and save them as required. That concludes this video on SQL Server Fundamentals. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to see new content as it's released. Thanks for watching.